Okay, here we have a beautiful 2000 Millenium Yellow Corvette Roadster. As we said, Millenium Yellow with the ebony leather interior, 64,000 mile car, fully optioned. It does have the glass roof. It has aftermarket wheels and a Borla exhaust. The factory wheels and exhaust come with the car. And you can see how the glass roof stores very nicely. And there's the glass roof in wonderful condition. Paint is very nice on the vehicle. Tinted windows. Again, just a very nice example of a 2000 Corvette. Here at Fuel Required. Okay, we'll do a cold start video here. Go ahead, Keith, hit it. It's the 5.7 liter LS motor. But you hear the exhaust. Nice little rumble, but nothing crazy. And again, very, very nice car here at Fuel Required.